Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing life-changing tips for teenage girls. Number 1 is prioritize self-care. Make sure to focus on your physical, mental and emotional well-being. Make time for yourself, do activities that make you happy. Second is set goals. A life without goals is nothing. You must have goals and work hard for them to achieve what you want in your life. Number 3 is build strong relationships. It means you must have some positive people around you who cherish you and be there at the time when you need them. Number 4 is learn continuously. Keep exploring new fields. Do what makes you happy and keep growing. Don't stuck at any point in your life. Number 5 is practice mindfulness. Learn to live in the present moment. Mindfulness can reduce stress, improve focus. 6 is financial literacy. It means basically your financial freedom. Start learning and managing money early. Do savings. Number 7 is stay active. Engage yourself in physical activities. Play your favorite indoor or outdoor games. Do exercises. Go to gym. Enjoy your life. Number 8 is believe in yourself. Always believe that you can do everything. There is nothing you can't do, and everything happens for a reason. Trust your abilities and try to cover that. These tips are just to guide you. Everyone's journey is unique. It's okay to make mistakes and learn from them, but don't repeat the same mistakes in your life. Thank you for watching my video.